Are you looking for ways that can help you to make extra money in 2024? You are in the right video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 easiest ways that you can actually use and make money in 2024. Right now, we have barely 5 months to leave 2024. It does not mean that you cannot make money in 2024. A lot of people are using these ideas, opportunities to cash out, and you cannot be left out. The number one way that you can make money in 2024 before the year runs out is to offer services. There are quite lots of services that you can offer in exchange for money. And these services are little things that we always ignore. You can make money from making people's hair if you know how to make hair. You can make money from being a makeup artist. You can make money from being a personal shopper. You can make money from being a personal trainer for some people. There are quite lots of services that you don't need to ignore. Monetize your services, and by then you start making money. People also make bowl of food and sell those bowl of food. And you can also start planning events, become an event planner. People also pick people when they are going home, you understand, and they pay them. Like doing an Uber driving. There are so many ways that you can actually make money in 2024. So if you have any services or skills that you know that you can do for exchanging money, this is the right time that you actually need to start advertising and promoting yourself to be able to make money from the services that you can offer to people. And number 2 way that you can make money in 2024 is to sell products online. Selling products online is one of the best, easiest, smart way that you can make money before this 2024 runs out. How do I sell online? You can market your products on social media, or you can put yourself in different marketplaces online where people can be able to see your products. There are different marketplaces where you can put your products. Look for fashion items, look for accessories, look for home decor, look for fast selling products that are hot in demand, and market them. You can actually make good money, good living selling these products online, whether it's new products, whether it's used items. You can promote these products and make money with that. And number 3 way that you can make easy money in 2024 before this year runs out, extra money, is what? Freelancing jobs. Freelancing job is the future. You can be lucky and get any serious gig that can make you good money. All you need to do is to put yourself in the necessary platforms, like we have Fiverr, we have Flex Jobs, we have Jobberman, and we have Google Jobs. We have Upwork, where you can create accounts and look for gigs. If you have interesting skills, hot in demand skills like editing skills, we have blogging. You have blogging skills, you can create websites. You can also do videography. That place you can see quite lots of interest, and people are making extra money on that particular site. Even on social media, you can be lucky and get this correct gig, can be paying you quite lots of money. If you want to earn extra money, it is in your hands right now. Any of these things, businesses or services that I am mentioning, you can actually use them and cash out. And number 4 way that you can actually make money, extra money in 2024, is what? Affiliate marketing. You don't need to have your products before you start making money online. A lot of people are using affiliate marketing to cash out. How do I do it? You need to look for services, products of other people that you can actually promote and earn a cut or commission. Some people make 10% commission. Look for those companies that has affiliate links that you can promote their products for them. Before you know it, you start making money, guys. It's not really hard. You are in your home, you are in your office, you're still working your 9 to 5 daily jobs. In the comfort of your home, as a stay-at-home mom, you can make these things work out and earn extra money for yourself. And the next one, number 5 way that you can make easy money 2024 before this 2024 goes, is what? Offer a value. If you know that you are a professional or you're a pro in a particular field, on niche, whether it's accounting, whether it's YouTube, whether it's anything. A lot of people are looking for guidance. People are looking for help on how to become their own boss. If you know that you can teach people to become what they actually want to be and start offering good value for them, and they'll pay you for money. People do webinar, people do virtual events online, and people pay for training. If you know that you can offer training whereby people pay you money for that, this is going to make you good money, guys. You can make good money doing webinar. You can make good money doing virtual events, creating events online, do training, online training, sell e-courses for this particular value that you have to offer people. And in exchange for that, people are going to pay you good money, guys. If you enjoy watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. And thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you next time. And please make sure you subscribe. Bye bye and see you next time. Bye bye.